Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. Welcome back to the school.
Good morning,
How's your
teacher.
holiday?
Morning, teacher.
Is everything
Good morning,
fun?
teacher. Yeah, so fun, exciting. Very
Yes,
fun.
teacher,
Okay.
fun.
Has anyone go on holiday nearby to the sea or river?
Me.
Me, teacher.
Where you go? Where you go?
Pulau
I went to
Tiongman.
Pulau Kedah, teacher.
Pulau Sherating.
Wow.
Kata Sherating.
Wow, so nice. Alright, this because today we will learn about the solution. Are you excited?
Wow.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Very exciting.
Alright. Thank you everyone for your feedback. Okay, before we proceed, I want to explain the rules in the class. Let's look at the important box. First, please turn on your camera or your webcam. Second, kindly mute your microphone during teaching and learning session. And third, only turn on your microphone if you want to say or ask something. To the next box, okay? If what you need to do, okay? First, you have to listen carefully what I will be taught. Second, take note. And third, stay in comfortable places. And lastly, can be seen in the middle box. When I say crystal, then student, you have to say clear. Did you get it, students?
Yes.
Good, students. Alright, we will continue to the third chapter and go through to the subtopic which is 3.3, movement of substances across the plasma membrane in living organism. Before we proceed, okay, first I will explain about the learning outcomes of the subtopic. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to state the definition of isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic solutions in the slide. Second, you can compare the effects of hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic solutions on animal cells and plant cells. And third, you can apply the process of osmosis in daily life. Are you crystal, students?
Clear.
Good,
Clear,
student.
teacher.
Okay. First of all, we have to know what is osmosis process. Do you have any idea, students?
About water?
Okay. Don't worry. I will explain to all of you. Okay. Osmosis process is passive transport that is similar to diffusion, but it involves only water molecules. Osmosis refers to the net movement of water molecules from an area of high water potential to an area of low water potential, and it randomly through a selective permeable membrane. Okay, did you notice any difference from these three solutions?
Yes.
Students, what? What you notice?
The movement of the molecule?
Good job,
Yes,
Nadia.
movement.
Okay, smart students, smart, good Afika. Okay, that means you all notice that there is difference between these three solutions. Generally, there are three type of solution which are isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic solution. And to make it easier for you to understand, there will be two solutions in one container which are solution A and solution B to differentiate each solution. So now we will go through to the first solution which is isotonic solution. Okay, isotonic describe that solution A and solution B have the same concentration of solution. This because solution A and solution B no net movement of water. Alright. And for the second solution is hypotonic solution. And hypotonic describe that solution A has low solutes concentration and high water potential. So this will cause water diffuses from solution A to B by osmosis. And lastly, solution is hypertonic solution. Okay, hypertonic describe that solution A has high solute concentration and low water potential. So, water will diffuses from solution B, okay, from solution B to solution A by osmosis. Alright, as the three solution that I have explained to you, do you understand, students?
Yes.
Understand.
Yes, teacher.
Good. Are you crystal, students?
Clear.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Okay, wonderful, student. Okay, we will proceed to the next part, which is the effects of hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic solutions on animal cells and plant cell. Okay, what cell you can be seen in this video? Okay,
Cell.
good
Red
job.
blood cell, teacher.
Brilliant, student. Okay, in this slide, we will compare the effects of hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic solutions on animal cell. Okay, in hypotonic solution, water will diffuse into the cells by osmosis, and this will cause the cells to swell and burst. Okay, and they are known as hemolysis. Okay, while in hypertonic solution, water will move out of the cell by osmosis and it start to shrink and they are said to undergo the crenation. Okay, and in isotonic solution, okay, isotonic solution, water will diffuse into and out of the cell by osmosis at the same rate. Okay, so no net movement of water across the plasma membrane and it will maintain their normal shape as you can be seen in the video. Okay, do you understand, student, what I have explained about the effect of solution on animal cells?
I truly understand.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher,
great,
understand.
students. Alright, what cell you can be seen in this video?
Plant cells.
Plant cell, maybe, teacher.
Okay, fantastic, student. Good. Okay, in this slide, we will compare the effects of hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic solutions on plant cell. Okay, in hypotonic solution, water diffuse into the vacuoles by osmosis and it will become turgid, as you can see, right? It will become turgid. While in hypertonic solution, water will diffuse out from the vacuole, okay, and it become plasmolysis. Then it can regain back their turgidity if the cells are returned to hypotonic solution immediately. Okay, then it can call as deplasmolysis. And in isotonic solution, okay, movement of water diffusion in and out the cell is the same. Okay, and the cell will become flaccid as you can see. Alright, okay. And for your information, the effects of hypotonic solution on plant cell in process of daily life, okay, because of what? Turgor pressure is very important to plant cell because it gives support and maintain the shape of plant cell. Okay, and the cells of turgidity causes the gut cell to swell and allow the stomata to remain open for photosynthesis. Okay, good. Do you understand, student, what I have explained about the effects of solution on plant cell?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent, students. Are you crystal, students?
Clear, teacher.
Teacher.
Good job, student. Okay, so now with what we have all earlier, we will proceed to the activity session, which is draw and explain. Okay, before we start, I want you to take a breath first. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Is it okay, students?
Okay.
Okay, alright. So in this activity, you will work in the group, which are 4 students in a group. But students have to decide who want to explain the situation, either hypotonic, hypertonic, or isotonic solution on animal cells and plant cell. Then you have to draw and explain it in detail about it. So I will give you 10 minutes for you to prepare your presentation. Did you understand, students?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So excited.
Alright. Okay,
Understood.
so you may start now. Are you all ready, students?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Ready.
Okay, good. Alright, so you may start now.
Hi, my name is blood cell. I am maintaining in normal shape. This is because I am in isotonic solution. Isotonic means water diffused into and out of the cell by osmosis at the same rate and no net movement of water across the plasma membrane.
Hi. My name is plant cell. Did you see my plant cell? Beautiful, right?
Yes.
I am in turgid shape. Thus, I am in hypotonic solution. Hypotonic means water will diffuse into the vacuoles by osmosis. This will cause the vacuoles to expand and push the cytoplasm and plasma membrane against the cell wall. Plant cells do not burst because the cell wall is rigid and strong.
Hi, my name is blood cell. I am a burst shape that are also known as a hemolysis. I am in hypotonic solution. Hypotonic means water will diffuse into the cell by osmosis. This will cause the cell will swell and burst. This is because the plasma membrane is too thin to withstand the osmotic pressure built up in the cell.
Hi, hello. My name is plant cell.
Hello.
I am in a plasmolysis shape. I am the hypertonic solution. Hypertonic means the water will diffuse out of the vacuole by the osmosis. As you can see here. Okay, so vacuole and cytoplasm will shrink, causing the plasma membrane to be pulled away from the cell wall, and it will cause the leaf and stems to bend downward and build. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Good job, student. Nice students. Okay, all of you had described in detail of each situation that you have choose. Every keyword, you have to describe the blood and plant cell. You have provided it. And your drawing is so amazing and I like it.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, so now it should be noted that every keyword, okay, that I have highlighted in the slide is very important, because if there is question in the test, marks will be given for each keyword. Alright, students?
Yes.
Okay, so now to make sure you are more proficient on this topic, I have prepared homework in Google Classroom. Are you excited, students?
Wow.
Oh,
homework.
Yes.
Excited.
Okay. So now,
Mardis looks
first you have to share the drawing session in Google Classroom. Okay. Second, you have to make a mind map by describing animal cells and plant cells in isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic solution. Then you have to upload these two things in Google Classroom. Did you understand, students?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good, students. Okay, for the recap session, as has been taught, it should be noted that there are 3 solutions, namely isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic solution. And each of these solutions influence 2 living cells, which are animal cells and plant cell. And it should also be noted that these 3 solutions occur through what process, Nadia?
By the osmosis.
Wow, good. Excellent, Nadia. Okay, so now, before we end our lesson today, let's see what you have achieved. Okay, you have all succeed to state the definition of isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic solution in the slide. Second, you can compare the effects of hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic solution on animal cells and plant cell. And lastly, you can apply the process of osmosis in daily life as has been taught, tega pressure. Okay, and it can be seen, okay, during the activity session that you have do it. Alright, so do you have any questions, students?
No,
teacher.
Alright,
teacher.
so don't worry. If there are any question after this class, you can ask me through WhatsApp group or just comment in Google Classroom. Okay, so with that, we end our class, okay?
Okay.
teacher.
Okay,
See you
thank
later,
you
teacher.
students for paying attention.
Bye,
You are
teacher.
so
Bye.
energetic, okay? And see you in the next class. Bye.